The recent statement of former Afghan President Hamid Karzai reinforces some facts that were known to many in the region. ISIS has been gaining stronghold in Afghanistan with each passing day, though the support coming to them was from the least expected entity. According to a European Union-mandated study carried out by Conflict Armament Research last year, 7 Indian companies are providing explosives to ISIS. It was the first of a series of events that highlighted India being in cahoots with the deadliest terror organization. What followed was the unearthing of hundreds of ISIS cells being operated from India, which were being used to supply manpower to its fighters in Afghanistan.
Security officials, intelligence have confirmed and identified 4 people out of these 5. There is one who is yet to be identified. All 4 of them are from Kerala, and they were part of the 21 who left last year to join the ISIS.
The world needs to take a look at the source of ISIS support in Afghanistan. The only country that benefits from having a dog in the fight for Afghanistan is India. As U.S. Defense Secretary General James Mattis also warned India to moderate its support for extremist elements in Afghanistan, India will have to drop its frightening role in the entangled weave of terror networks operating in the war-torn country. Afghanistan continues to burn after more than a decade of peace efforts. Despite the best attempts made by global powers, the country has not been able to defeat the element of extremism which continues to grow. What they had been overlooking was the root cause, the source of terror funding in Afghanistan, with Indian officials admitting the use of terrorist elements instead of their regular army and battlefield, with European Union providing proofs of Indian support to ISIS, with unearthing of ISIS cells every other day in India. Now United States too needs to talk about what is happening right under her nose in Afghanistan.